Let's open this Easter basket.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh, from up here, look, it has a ball here. Just pull this, right here.
Ball.
Good job.
Now I'm moving.
Hey, open it.
I think that's too tight. This one what?
Okay, so you need scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, little baby. Okay. Wow.
What's inside? Get it out of there.
Let's stuff it all in.
Pull it out. Let's see what it is.
Ooh.
Whoa, what does it have?
Everything.
Everything. Let's take it out of the box. Can we get out of the box? Need scissors?
Yeah.
Okay,
We need to cut this.
Let's cut it right here. There we go. Oh,
Sorry.
okay.
Sorry, break this.
You're not breaking it. You're cooking it. Look, what does it have? Let's check this out.
Ah.
Whoa, that's cool.
What? What's this?
These are stickers. What type of dinosaur is this? With the hard head. What is this dinosaur called?
Brachiosaurus.
Good job. What about this one?
Carnotaurus.
Good job. What about that one?
Stegosaurus.
Good job. What about this one?
Guess Carnotaurus.
Yeah, I know. And this one, what's this? Hey, this is like a frisbee. Huh? When we go to the beach. And this is a yo-yo, T-Rex yo-yo. What? Let me open it.
Where's the puzzle?
What is it?
Where's the puzzle?
The puzzle's right here. It's the puzzle. Look, puzzle of a T-Rex. It's 24-piece puzzle.
Come on. Open this.
Here, let me help you open it.
I did open it.
Here, let me help you. Let me help you open the puzzle.
Haha.
You're doing a good job making the puzzle.
That one. That
No,
piece.
the other way. The other way. No.
That one.
Yeah.
Yay.
Whoa, a lot of cool stickers. Huh. Let's put them on the table so we can see them. We can show. Wow. Look at all these stickers. Okay, so I need your help. What is this one called?
T-Rex.
What is this one called?
Brachiosaurus.
What is this one called?
Pterodactyl.
What is this one called?
Velociraptor.
What is this called?
Gyrosphere.
Okay, is there... What about this one right here? What's this dinosaur called?
Gymnus.
Okay.
Jurassic Park gate.
Okay, what is this dinosaur called?
Dinosaurs.
What are you doing now?
Making a baby dinosaur.
You putting the stickers here? That's cool. What is that dinosaur called?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. His head.
No, that one, no. I don't like that one. Cause that was... Dinorigo playtime.
Oh no, the bunny rabbit. Ah.